How to remove line break in Wix.com. So if you're working on Wix.com and if you're writing a text and if you want a line breaker, just watch this video and by the end of it, you'll know how to do it. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into Wix.com. And once when you log in, you can see you will be redirected here on this home page. And from this home page, what you can do is you can click on design site and open up the website that you're working on. So let's just come here and let's add a text right here. Where is text? Right here it is. Add a simple paragraph right here. So if you want to add a line breaker, what you can do is you can drag it from right here and here you go. Or if you want one, you can just squeeze it back in and a line breaker will be created as it is. So this is the way that you can do. The other way to do it is you can increase the font size if you want. This is the second way to do it. So this is very easy and I would say pretty self-explanatory. I can say that you can also add custom uh, line spacing and change that just like that. But this was the, I would say, main way to do it. So that's it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.